signing up for Threads, an Instagram app. And what I'm doing is I'm migrating the connections from Instagram over to it, which is the fastest way to sign up. And then you can click on each one, the bio and links, and bring that over as well as your image. So that's the next thing you'll see me do, import those other from Instagram. So it says import from Instagram. That's what I have over there. And I'll import each one of these and my link, which is my link tree, over from Instagram. There we go. And you can see that, the profile, get my picture on there next, and bring that in from Instagram. And then next, just signing up. And then, of course, the option public or private. I want my account to be public, but you could do private. Next, you can pick people from Instagram. So if they join Threads, then you will automatically follow them. So this is drawing on the list of people that you have been following on Instagram. And then the moment they join, it will switch over. Here's just some text explaining it. I'll leave this up so you can read it for a minute. And then the next thing is to click Join Threads. It, of course, asks to give you permission to give notifications. Then it goes through beginning to populate. And this is suggested content because, of course, most of us don't have many people are already on it. I'll put my link below in the text so you can follow me. And notice at the bottom we have the house. That's going to be the feed, and then we have the little magnifier that's kind of looking up, searching, and then the post is the next one, then hearts, likes, and then your profile on the far right. So looking familiar to some other platforms. Now I'm going to make my very first post on Threads, which guess what it calls? A thread. There we go. That's my first post, and then we'll see my profile next. And that's it. That's just a quick video showing the sign up for it. Look forward to hearing from you. I'll be posting some little business tips, but comment. Tell me what you think of it. Do you think it's a real competitor for Twitter? We'll see. Time will tell.